Aria, an innovative humanoid robot, has been developed by the US company Wildest. This robot is designed to be an interactive and realistic companion, offering extensive communication and entertainment capabilities. Aria's design is incredibly realistic, thanks to the use of high-quality materials such as silicone and thermoplastic elastomer. Every detail, from the texture of her skin to her facial features, has been meticulously crafted to enhance her realistic appearance. Stay tuned to this video to learn all the details of this new robot. But before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's get started. Aria is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, AI, that enables her to engage in conversations, answer questions, and adapt to the user's interests. Her built-in servo motors allow her to perform facial expressions and gestures, giving her the ability to express a range of emotions and perform simple head movements. The speech recognition and synthesis system in Aria allows her to perceive voice commands and respond to them, with the option to choose different voices and accents. Among her features are the abilities to hold conversations, learn, and adapt to the user's preferences, making her a truly astonishing creation. In addition to Aria, American robotics specialists have developed an extraordinary robotic hand. This hand boasts a high degree of freedom and an appearance almost indistinguishable from a real human hand. According to the engineers, creating such a hand took several months. The device has 24 degrees of freedom, and the fingertips are equipped with special feedback sensors. Currently, the robotic hand is controlled by a human using a special glove. In demonstration videos, the hand skillfully writes letters and plays the piano, showcasing its impressive realism and dexterity. Although it was not shown picking up larger objects, it is hoped that future versions will have this capability. The Korean innovation in mobility. The Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials has developed a state-of-the-art robotic wheelchair, significantly enhancing mobility for individuals with limited movement capabilities. This innovative wheelchair can climb stairs and move in an upright position, providing users with greater autonomy and convenience in their daily lives. Equipped with intelligent mechanisms and sensors, the chair safely ascends and descends stairs by recognizing steps and adjusting its movement accordingly. The additional feature of vertical movement allows the user to stand and move in an upright position, making it easier to reach high objects and improving interaction with the environment. The chair also has a stabilization system to maintain balance and prevent falls. This project aims to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities by offering them more independence and freedom in their daily tasks and movements. Shioran, the Japanese masterpiece. Shioran, a humanoid robot developed by the Japanese company Species, features a highly realistic design with detailed facial features, realistic skin, and body proportions. Shioran is equipped with advanced AI technologies, enabling her to engage in conversations, understand and respond to questions, maintain dialogue, and display various emotions. Her built-in servo motors allow her to perform a variety of movements, including hand gestures, head movements, and facial expressions, making her interactions with people more natural and lifelike. Shioran's speech recognition and voice synthesis system enable her to perceive and respond to voice commands. This versatile robot can be used in various fields such as customer service, education, and social interaction, providing assistance and support wherever human communication is needed. British innovations, the screw bike. British inventor James Bruton, known for his popular YouTube channel showcasing innovative creations, recently unveiled the world's first screw bike. This electric bicycle features 4 mechanized wheels, each equipped with smaller double-taper wheels set at a 45-degree angle, enabling omnidirectional movement. Known for his expertise in 3D printing, welding, and mechanical engineering, Bruton faced a significant challenge in designing a bike with such unique capabilities. Despite its technical complexity, the screw bike maintains self-balancing capabilities and can be driven forward using a twist throttle. It includes a backward switch and separate controls for spinning in place, akin to a Segway, but with enhanced maneuverability due to its innovative wheel configuration. I'll take a moment to remind you that if you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Now, let's continue. Technological advances in fishing. Enthusiasts from the Monster Mick fishing channel are harnessing cutting-edge technologies to delve into the mysteries of the underwater world. This innovative approach involves attaching a GoPro camera to a fish, providing viewers with an unprecedented view of aquatic environments. In one of their captivating videos, the blogger meticulously details his journey to a small lake with the intent of exploring its underwater inhabitants, particularly large predators. Upon arrival at the lake, the blogger catches a large fish, which serves as the perfect underwater explorer. By carefully attaching an underwater camera to the back of this fish, he transforms it into a live-streaming aquatic rover. The camera is securely fastened in a way that does not harm the fish, ensuring that it can swim freely and naturally. Once set up, the fish is released back into the lake, allowing the camera to capture and broadcast a unique perspective of the underwater ecosystem. Robotics in construction. The company GAI has demonstrated a groundbreaking approach to constructing communication towers by utilizing an array of advanced robots. GAI is renowned for its expertise in developing robots capable of automating various construction processes, thereby enhancing efficiency and safety. In a compelling field demonstration video, the company showcases how its robots work in unison to build a communication tower, highlighting the precision and complexity of their tasks. In the demonstration, multiple robots are seen interacting seamlessly with each other and their environment. These robots are equipped with sophisticated sensors and AI-based software, enabling them to perform precise manipulations required for construction. The tasks they undertake include moving heavy materials, installing structural elements, and adhering to stringent safety standards, all while operating autonomously. The robot's ability to navigate the construction site autonomously is one of the key highlights of this demonstration. Advanced sensors allow them to detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. The AI software processes real-time data, enabling the robots to make informed decisions and adjust their actions based on the dynamic conditions of the construction site. By automating these tasks, GAI's robotic solutions significantly increase productivity on construction sites. They can work continuously without breaks, thereby accelerating the construction process. Moreover, the use of robots reduces the risk of accidents and injuries, as they can handle hazardous tasks that would be dangerous for human workers. Autonomous Vehicles by Amazon's ZUK. A division of the world-renowned retailer Amazon, named ZUK, is specializing in autonomous vehicles and has begun a new phase of testing its latest creation, a 4-seater electric self-driving shuttle taxi on public roads. The robo-taxi is quite dynamic, capable of reaching speeds up to 120 km/h. Its traction battery provides enough charge for 16 hours of operation. Inside the robo-taxi, there are 4 comfortable seats equipped with ports for connecting gadgets. The main feature of this autonomous vehicle is its symmetrical design at both ends, allowing it to move not only forward and backward, but also side to side. The introduction of this robo-taxi represents a significant advancement for the autonomous vehicle industry and underscores the growing interest and investment in this technology. These innovative creations from around the world highlight the rapid advancements in robotics and AI technologies. From lifelike humanoid robots and advanced robotic hands to groundbreaking mobility solutions and autonomous vehicles, these developments are revolutionizing various fields and enhancing the quality of life for many. And that's it for today's video. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe by clicking the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this. We'll see you next time.